What's up world? This is Alexandria here. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a quick makeup look that is really for staying in the house. We're all quarantining at home, staying at home. So if you want to just get up, feel refreshed, this is my go-to makeup look that I've been doing anytime that I'm feeling like I want to look a little, alive and awakened, or if I'm about to get on a work Zoom call. You know how it is these days. So I'm just filling in my brows with the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. This is my go-to always and forever. Then I'm just going to conceal under my eyes. I don't need to put on any foundation because where am I going? So this is in the color Deep Tan Honey, and chile, this did not match at all. This is my first time ever trying the Tarte Shape Tape, and I got it during Ulta's 20 Days of Beauty, I think that's what it's called. And honey, I got the wrong shade. But so I had to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. That's my go-to. I use both colors, Warm Sand and Butterscotch, and then I'm just blending this in. This is a Morphe beauty sponge, I think, or it might actually be one from Elf. I'm not sure. To set, I'm just using my SACHA Buttercup powder in the color Light. It is so good. It's my favorite setting powder. Next is the eyes. I'm going in with the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Jackie AINA palette, and I'm using the color Ginger, which is like a caramel brown, to deepen my crease. I'm only using 2 shades. This is super simple and easy. I'm just trying to get cute for, I think, what was a Zoom call with my friends actually this evening. So then I'm using the color Soleil. This is like a gold peachy color, and then I'm just placing that all over the lid. I'm not really trying to be that precise. For mascara, I'm using the RIMMEL Scandaleyes mascara. Honestly, this mascara is terrible. I was in a rush one day, needed some mascara. I can't remember why, so I'm really just finishing out this tube. For blush, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color Rose. I really love this color. It helps add some color back to my cheekbones. And now it's time to glow, baby. So I'm using this NIKKIETUTORIALS OFRA highlighter palette. I actually just got this palette. This is my first time getting a highlighter from OFRA, and honey, it was bomb. Sis was glowing, okay? And then for gloss, I'm finishing it off with the KYLIE Cosmetics gloss in the color Ho Ho Ho. And then no look is complete without the gold hoops, so that is essential. Then I hit it with a little inner corner highlight using that same OFRA palette. Take my scarf off, and your girl is looking ready to go sit on that couch. Stay at home, folks. This is the finished look. Bye. See you in my next video.